वाटर लेवल है। तो आप देख सकते हैं जैसे कि इसमें डिफरेंट अमाउंट में हमने वाटर ले रखा है। तो अमाउंट वाटर लेवल के हिसाब से इसमें अलग अलग साउंड जो है वो प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है। तो हम यहाँ पे एक बार आपको प्ले करके दिखा देते हैं कि इसमें साउंड किस तरह से प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है। तो आपने जैसे कि सुना कि इसमें अलग अलग आवाज़ आया, लो से लेके हाई वॉल्यूम तक। तो ये था हमारा फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी जल तक। तो यहाँ पे अपने सेकंड एक्टिविटी है, ये सीटी वाली है, जिसमें ये जो सीटी है इसमें से जब हम यहाँ से ब्लो करेंगे और यहाँ से आवाज़ निकलेगी तो वो जो आवाज़ है यहाँ पे कम जगह होने की वजह से तो ज़्यादा तीखी आवाज़ निकलेगी और इसमें से लाउड भी वॉइस।
जैसे कि आपने देखा कि अभी इसमें से कैसे साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है। तो जब हम बोलते हैं तो हमारी वोकल कॉर्ड्स पे भी ऐसे ही सिमिलर साउंड
terminals. First is negative and the second is positive. The
Terminals are of battery,
Batteries,
right?
terminals
So
are-
how many batteries you have used here?
I have used 5 batteries which is of 45 volts.
Okay, total 45 volts.
Yes.
Okay. Now the battery has two terminals. Which is the positive terminal here?
Ma'am, that is the positive terminal and that is the negative terminal.
Okay. Now what you did?
Ma'am, that was the positive terminal. I added to the this
Connected it with
anode and the
pencil called?
pencil called ma'am anode. And on the negative terminal I added to the pencil which is cathode.
Okay.
And ma'am, we dipped it into the water and water is the good conductor of electricity, and I also dissolved in it NaCl which is also known as sodium chloride. When we dipped the solid, when we dipped the pencil in it, this starts bubbling in the cathode the bubbles of hydrogen and the anode the bubbles of oxygen. So we know that the oxygen is the positive terminal.
Why? From where you got hydrogen and oxygen here?
From this terminal we
You have taken water, but you said hydrogen at the anode,
hydrogen at the cathode.
hydrogen at cathode. But from where the hydrogen came?
Ma'am, hydrogen. Ma'am, we have to add negative to cathode. Ma'am, this starts bubbling at the.
But from where the bubbles came?
Ma'am, when we dipped the two terminals, the water will be split and.
Split. Water will split. Why the water is splitting?
Ma'am, because we have to add electric currents in it.
Because of electricity.
Yes, ma'am.
Water splits because of electricity. Okay. So when the water splits, what molecules will form? Hydrogen and oxygen. What is the charge of hydrogen? Positive. And oxygen? Negative. So oxygen is negative. So it will move to which electrode?
To oxygen. Anode.
Oxygen is negative, so it will go to positive electrode, anode. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
And the hydrogen?
Ma'am, cathode.
Cathode. So can you show us the bubbles?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here are the bubbles of hydrogen, and here are the bubbles of oxygen. Ma'am, ma'am, we also know that the hydrogen, water is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen, which is H2O. And when we dipped this into the dipped the electric current on it, this starts split the water into hydrogen and oxygen compounds, and that was the bubbles are forming.
I have made electric circuit. To make this electric circuit, I have used battery wires, LED bulb, 2 pins as switch. There are the two terminals in battery, negative and positive. When the negative and positive wires connect to each other, the bulb glows. It means when the wires connect, the circuit is complete and the bulb glows. Now we will show that by using different objects that the object is good conductor battery. First we will move into orange.
So everyone, can you see the bulb is glowing?
Yes, ma'am. It means the orange.
Let them answer. What does this indicate? Orange is good or bad conductor?
Good conductor.
Good conductor.
Now we will use the apple. Apple is also the good conductor of electricity.
Okay. Now what you have taken? What is this solution?
Turmeric solution.
Turmeric solution. It is also good conductor.
Yes, ma'am.
I think water you have taken, that's why it is good conductor. Pure water is not there, na? Distilled water is not there. Okay, next. Slowly.
It is lemon. It is also good conductor of
1 minute. I think you might be touching these two pins. Yeah. देखो पिंस टच हो रही हैं तो गुड कंडक्टर ही निकलेगा ना. पिंस शुड नॉट टच. Now you can say good conductor. Okay, next. What is it?
honey.
And you added water, no?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Pure
Pure honey.
So all the substances are good conductor.
Is represent this process of electroplating. In this method, we took 45 watts of batteries, and the negative terminal of this is and
Okay, tell me how many batteries you have used?
Ma'am, in this process we used 5 batteries.
5 batteries.
Of nine.
Why you used 5 batteries?
Ma'am, because the process is highly
It requires more electricity, no? So you combine the battery. Now this battery is having how many terminals?
Ma'am, in this battery is having 2 terminals, negative and positive.
Show me which is the positive terminal.
And this is the positive terminal which is connected to the anode, and this is the negative terminal which is connected to the cathode.
Okay, so you said this is positive terminal
Yes.
and it is connected with an electrode
Yes.
which is called anode.
Yes.
So what you have taken at the anode?
We take anode as a copper bunch.
ठीक है, इन्होंने क्या लिया है? कॉपर वायर्स का एक बंच लिया है, ठीक है? Because copper plate was not there, तो some wires we took out the copper and that is connected to the positive terminal. So that positive terminal, that copper wire will act as anode, having positive charge. Okay, now this is negative terminal of the battery. It is connected to which electrode?
Ma'am, a nut bolt of
Nut bolt of iron is there, so that will act as
act as ma'am cathode.
cathode. Now the circuit is complete.
Yes.
So electricity will flow.
Yes, ma'am.
What will happen?
Ma'am, when electricity is forward, ma'am, the iron, मतलब cathode.
The copper sulfate.
Yes, ma'am, the copper sulfates and the
Will?
and the sulfuric acid ma'am split and
Split. Copper sulfate जो है वो split हो जाएगा. किस में split होगा? Copper and sulfate. Copper का charge क्या है? Positive. And sulfate is negative. आपने पढ़ा है light charges. Light charges attract each other. Repel. तो copper कहाँ release हो रहा है? Anode पे. ठीक है? Sorry, in the solution. So those copper ion will move towards the
cathode.
cathode. Negative electrode कौन सा है? Cathode. So copper will start moving towards the cathode, and from the electrode, copper will dissolve into the solution क्योंकि कम हो रहा है वहाँ पे. ठीक है? So this way copper keeps on depositing on the nut bolt, which is acting as cathode. और ये जो deposition है copper का on the nut bolt, it is called electroplating. ठीक है? So this is how with the help of electricity we can make a layer. We can put a layer of desired substance on any other substance. Can you show us the electroplating? Is it already done?
Yes, ma'am.
Show us. So little bit copper is deposited over the iron bolt. ठीक है? अगर हम और टाइम रखेंगे तो क्या होगा, मोर डिपोजिशन विल बी देयर. ठीक है, ओके, वेरी गुड.
My name is Shivam and these are my two partners. Today we are going to show that how musical instrument produces sound. So this is the small guitar. When we pull string, it produces sound, and when this vibrate, it produces sound. We can see the vibration in it. This it produces sound. Then this is drum. When we strike the stick on it, on the membrane of drum, it produces sound.
So which part is vibrating?
The membrane of drum,
The stretch. Okay. Or in guitar, which part was vibrating?
the string.
String.
That's it. Our third instrument is bell. When this hammer-like structure hits on it, it produces sound and it vibrates. You can see the vibrations. Then here is flute. When you blow air in it, it vibrates and produces sound.
So what is vibrating?
In this whole flute and one
Air column.
are vibrating.
Air column na? Okay. So basically sound is produced because of vibration. And what is vibration? What is vibration? Anything which is vibrating to and fro motion is vibration. Okay? So you have seen how the different musical instruments, due to vibration of different parts, they produce sound. Okay, good. तो चिल्लाना पड़ेगा.
Good morning. Hello friends. Today we are showing the activity that sound need medium to propagate.
Sound needs a medium.
In this activity, we made a handmade telephone. A boy will say something and we can hear
What you heard? Huh? What he spoke? Hello. Say something else.
as you can.
Yes. Okay. Can you hear what he said? No. But okay.
As you can see, that boy can hear the sound vibration
Through this thread and reach to this
boy.
ear. है ना? Okay. So your this activity.
Good morning, dear friends. In this activity, we are going to show that sound can travel through water. So we have a tumbler here and we have put water in it. Now we are going to put a bell in it and see if sound can travel through. Now we can see that
You hear the sound.
you hear the sound, and this shows that sound can travel through water because sound needs a medium to travel.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are showing an activity in which testing potato. That potato conducts electricity with my group members Ayush and Ashish. So in this activity, first of all we have cut a potato into two halves. Then we have taken one piece of cut potato and inserted two iron nails in it, as you can see.
Insert the second one also.
Like this.
Okay. Now.
The iron nails are the two electrodes which is connecting with the two terminal of the battery to the two iron nails by including a compass and a switch in the circuit. When we pass the electric current through iron nails,
Okay, the circuit is complete, है ना? Now the current will flow through the potato. So, is potato a good conductor of electricity?
yes ma'am.
How you can say that?
Ma'am, when we
See
put
the
the compass
Okay.
there, and when we put the compass near the circuit, we can see the deflection in the compass needle showing that potato conducts electricity. If we continue to pass electric current through iron nails, we will observe a greenish blue spot on the iron nail which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery.
Okay, why the green spot you will observe?
Ma'am, when we passes the electric current through a conducting solution, so ma'am, it can bring change about a conducting solution.
Okay, why this happens? Because of?
Because of chemical effects of electric current.
Okay, so where is the conducting solution here?
Ma'am, the conductor is the potato.
Okay, so is it having any solution? Is it not solid?
Ma'am, yes ma'am, it's a solid.
It's a solid, but it is having water in it, no?
Yes ma'am.
So, okay, so where we will observe the green spot?
Ma'am, in this from where the acid is coming outside from the potato, then the greenish blue spot is showing.
Okay, very good.
Good morning, my name is Jay, and now we are going to understand how the action of an eardrum. First, I am showing an example. I have taken a plastic tin and cut it from the bottom side, and I have taken a balloon, a rubber balloon, and cut it from the bottom. The upper side of the balloon I have placed at the upper side of that tin and placed a rubber band. Now I am going to put some dry cereal on the rubber band.
On the rubber, stretched rubber band. Okay, so what you can see, a bottle, both the ends are open, this end he removed, and on this what he kept? A stretched balloon is he tied over here, and he placed some rice grains on it. Okay.
This is an example of our eardrum, and it is
Stretched
it
membrane.
is a stretched membrane. And if we speak anything from here, that vibration goes and in that vibration comes in the contact of that eardrum, and that eardrum sends a signal to the brain, and that's how we can hear the voice.
Speak from down, no problem. Wait. See, the vibration was there on the membrane. Again, down, you go down. Okay, so you can see the rice grains because of vibration on this balloon membrane. Rice grains, they started jumping on it. Okay, and this is how the same thing happens in our eardrum. The membrane which is there, when a sound goes, it causes vibration and it is propagated further. Very good. Clap for.
Good morning everyone. Me and my teammates are going to perform activity of chapter 14. So today I have taken battery, wire and 2 carbon rods and solution of salt. So the black wire is connected to negative terminal and the red wire is connected to positive terminal. So the positive terminal is connected to the 1 carbon and negative terminal is connected to the other carbon. So in this activity, hydrogen and oxygen. So in the negative terminal, the gas of bubble will produce is known as hydrogen, and in the other terminal, the positive terminal in anode, it will produce hydrogen. So
Oxygen. At anode, what you will see? Oxygen, because anode is positive and oxygen is negatively charged. Okay.
So like north and north